Hi guys, Justine here from Two Brooch Girls, and I thought that I would take you through an actual release day with Erstwilder. So today they are releasing a Floral Affair, which is always a very popular collection. So I'm incredibly nervous. You can see here I'm on the site, I've got my countdown timer happening. I have my brooches written down, so the ones that I definitely want to get are written down here. I also have a voucher that I'm going to use, so I have that code copied and ready to go. So it's a minute 23, getting very excited. I'm going to refresh my page. So I'm actually going to do that a lot in this next few seconds, because what happens is there will be a point where they get uploaded and I want to make sure that I am on there straight away. So today I'm going to be trying to get 4 brooches, so we'll see how I go with that. These brooches are made in limited runs and they literally sell out in a matter of minutes, so it really is quite a skill during launch day in being able to get the ones that you want. 41 seconds at least. Just going, oh, here we go. So we've already got some here. Okay, so I want the rose. I'm going to add that to my bag. Okay, I'm going to continue shopping. I also want the chamomile. I'm going to add that to my bag. I'm going to continue shopping. I want, oh, the others aren't there yet. Okay, so I need to refresh my page. Okay, so you can see we've got the beautiful prints there as well. I want the butterfly, which I'm also going to add now. I'm going to continue shopping, and one more that I want is the gladioli. Okay, so now I'm going to check out. I have all my goodies here. I'm going to put in my code like that. Right, now I'm going to continue to my shipping options. Continue to my payment. So just to let you know, it's not, you don't have it until all this is finished. So a lot of people get upset because it jumps out of their cart, but it's not yours until it's yours, people. You have to get through this entire process and get your confirmation to make sure that you have it. So here we go, still not sure. Am I going to get it? Oh, goodness, so many butterflies. Yes! Okay, so when you get that order number and you get that thank you, you can actually see that you have your purchases. So I got my rose, my chamomile, my gladioli, and my butterfly. So excited. Thank you everyone for joining me, and I shall see you next time. Good luck if you're in the launch too. Bye.